Cancer. The treatment of cancer according to study. It should be noted that its leaves contain an organic compound also in the secretions of the toad, which manages to stop the proliferation, self-renewal, and the spread of cancer cells. It's added that kalanchoe contains different chemical substances, including flavonoids and fatty acids, organic compounds in plants that have cytotoxic activity against several cancer cell lines. Anti-cancer properties. Bay leaf. Bay leaf contains caffeic acid, quercetin, eugenol, and catechins, all of which have chemoprotective properties which offer resistance against different types of cancer. They also contain a phytonutrient called parthenolide, which has shown to specifically restrain the proliferation of cervical cancer cells. Prevention of cancer. Black nightshade. Cancer is the most scariest disease for many people. Sometimes it took a long time to free from cancer. One of the benefits of black nightshade is as a prevention of cancer because this black nightshade contains solacinin, solamargin, and solanin that prevents uncontrollable cancer cell. Solacinin plays role to relieve pain, to decrease your temperature, anti-inflammation, and anti-shock. Solamargin and solanin as antibacteria and solanin as antimitosis. Those substances handles various types of cancer such as breast cancer, cervix, stomach, and respiratory tract cancer. Cancer Kadamba. Kadamba produces a significant anti-tumor activity. It's used in the management of several forms of cancer, including prostate cancer, colon cancer, breast cancer, and esophageal cancer. Cancer occurs due to the propagation of the abnormal cells in any organ in an uncontrolled way. These abnormal cells have a high tendency to spread to the surrounding as well as the distant healthy tissues, resulting in the spread of cancer. Kadamba can help in treating this disease by limiting the growth of the cancer cells. It also prevents their spread. It contains several bioactive compounds that produce an action similar to that of the chemotherapeutic agents. Cancer. Madagascar Periwinkle. Madagascar Periwinkle is a popular herbal treatment for cancer including leukemia, Hodgkin's disease, malignant lymphomas, neuroblastoma, Wilms tumor, and Kaposi sarcoma. When taken as tea, the plant helps prevent the propagation of cancer cells to the rest of the body. The vincristine in Madagascar periwinkle is responsible for the plant's powerful anti-cancer properties. It also contains lyrosidin and lyrocin, which helps treat Hodgkin's disease. Treats cancer fiddlehead fern. The high amount of vitamin C promotes the drugs which are used in chemotherapy. Vitamin C helps to target the cell which requires the nutrients without harming the normal cells. The research shows that vitamin C is effective cancer treatment for the lung and ovarian cancer. Cancer and heart disease. Banana flowers are high source of tannins, acids, flavonoids, and other antioxidants which helps to counteract free radicals and eliminates the oxidative damage which leads to cancer and heart disease. The banana flower can prevent these conditions. Prevents carcinogens that lead to cancer. Beetle leaves. Chewing beetle leaves is known to prevent oral cancer as it helps maintain the levels of ascorbic acid in the saliva. All you need to do is boil 10 to 12 beetle leaves for a few minutes and add honey to the boiled water. Drinking this on a daily basis can help. Cancer treatment Indian Jujube. Although the exact mechanisms and specific relationships between Indian jujube and cancer are still being investigated, earlier results point to a positive correlation between the bioactive compounds in Indian jujube and a reduction in free radical activity and the spread of cancerous cells. Antioxidants in Indian jujube make this a very effective preventive method for cancer as well as other chronic conditions including heart disease. Cancer prevention. Eclipto Prostrata. Research has shown that Eclipto Prostrata helps to inhibit the growth of cancer cells in the liver. Research has been limited. It appears that the organic molecules found in Eclipto Prostrata disrupt the DNA molecules for the proliferation of cancer cells, thus having a cytotoxic effect and killing those dangerous mutated cells. Philanthus Nururi. It may be anti-cancerous. Philanthus Nururi and other Philanthus species may help prevent the metastasis of some lung and breast cancers. A 2011 study, trusted source, showed the polyphenols in the herb help prevent the invasion, migration, and adhesion of cancer cells. Anti-cancer properties. Bamboo shoots. The plant consists of potent anti-cancerous properties against major cancer types such as lung cancer, stomach cancer, ovary cancer, and estrogen-dependent human breast cancer. Additionally, several epidemiological studies have found a strong correlation between a high-fiber diet with the reduced risks of colon or colorectal cancer. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.